Why shouldn't artificial nail tips be trimmed straight across? A. It will make the artificial nail split. B. It could cause the plastic to crack. C. It may cause the plastic to lift. D. It will cause the plastic to weaken. The answer is D. It will cause the plastic to weaken. How often should UV light bulbs be changed? A. 2 to 3 times per month. B. 4 to 5 times per year. C. 2 to 3 times per year. D. 4 to 5 times per month. The answer is C. 2 to 3 times per year. How often should the UV bulbs which are used to cure enhancements be cleaned? A. Monthly. B. Yearly. C. Daily. D. Weekly. The answer is C. Daily. A medium bead consists of blank % more liquid than powder. A. 30. B. 10. C. 75. D. 50. The answer is D. 50. A slash and blank is a shorter chain of monomers than a polymer. A. Oligomer. B. Oligomer. C. Oligomer. D. Oligomer. The answer is C. Oligomer. When nail tips are correctly sized, they will cover the nail plate from A. None of the choices listed. B. Sidewall to sidewall. C. Mid-nail to free edge. D. Lunula to free edge. The answer is B. Sidewall to sidewall. For nail tip application, a manicurist will need an abrasive board, nail tips, blank along with the materials on the basic manicuring table. A. Fiberglass and linen. B. Nail tip adhesive and a buffer block. C. All of the choices listed. D. No light gel. The answer is B. Nail tip adhesive and a buffer block. Nails are cleaned in a finger bowl with blank before applying gel nails. A. A gentle liquid soap. B. Sudsy ammonia. C. Acetone. D. Cuticle lotion. The answer is A. A gentle liquid soap. Nipping off artificial nail tips might cause damage to the A. Cuticle. B. Nail bed. C. Agnail. D. Nipper. The answer is B. Nail bed. A strip of fabric applied to a weak point of a nail that is about 1/8 of an inch is known as A. Repair patch. B. Reinforcement strip. C. Nail wrap. D. Stress strip. The answer is D. Stress strip. When a bead consists of equal parts of liquid and powder, it is A. Weak bead. B. Dry bead. C. Wet bead. D. Soft bead. The answer is B. Dry bead. Which of the following is not true regarding dust masks? A. They provide protection from vapors. B. They prevent inhalation of excessive amounts of dust. C. They are designed to be worn over the nose. D. They are designed to be worn over the mouth. The answer is A. They provide protection from vapors. The UV gel inhibition layer can be removed with A. Acetone. B. All of the choices listed. C. A medium abrasive. D. Alcohol. The answer is B. All of the choices listed. It is important to use the specific blank that is designed for a specific UV gel product. A. Nail tips. B. Nail dehydrator. C. UV gel lamp. D. Nail adhesive. The answer is C. UV gel lamp. A nail tip should not cover more than blank of the natural nail plate. A. 1/6. B. 1/4. C. 1/5. D. 1/3. The answer is D. 1/3. The addition of acrylic to the new growth area of the nail is called a slashing. A. Overlay. B. Refill. C. Fill. D. Backfill. The answer is C. Fill. When blending the tip, be sure blank to avoid damage to the nail plate. A. To hold the file at a 45-degree angle. B. Not to hold the file at an angle. C. To clip the nail tip straight across. D. To apply adhesive. The answer is B. Not to hold the file at an angle. Which of the following is not true regarding a dappen dish? A. It should be covered with a tight lid in a dust-free location when not in use. B. The polymer powder and monomer liquid are both poured into a dappen dish. C. It needs to have a narrow opening to minimize evaporation of monomer. D. It must have a wide opening so the brush can be easily and quickly immersed. The answer is D. It must have a wide opening so the brush can be easily and quickly immersed. Natural and synthetic compounds of exceptionally high molecular weight consisting of repeated linked units, long chains, are A. Monomers. B. Curing agents. C. Laminators. D. Polymers. The answer is D. Polymers. Blank create rigid surface coatings, are brushed on the nail plate like polish, and are usually cured by exposure to ultraviolet light. A. Methyl methacrylates. B. Primers. C. Gels. D. Monomers. The answer is C. Gels. Which of the following accurately describes the stop, rock, and hold procedure? A. Apply adhesive, slide on tip, at a 45-degree angle find the stop against the free edge, rock the tip quickly for 5 to 10 seconds until it can no longer rock. B. Size tips, slide on tip, at a 45-degree angle find the stop against the free edge, rock the tip slowly on, hold the tip in place for 1 to 5 seconds. C. Buff the nail, slide on tip, at a 15-degree angle find the stop against the free edge, rock the tip slowly on, hold the tip in place for 15 seconds. D. Apply adhesive, slide on tip, at a 45-degree angle find the stop against the free edge, rock the tip slowly on, hold the tip in place for 5 to 10 seconds. The answer is D. Apply adhesive, slide on tip, at a 45-degree angle find the stop against the free edge, rock the tip slowly on, hold the tip in place for 5 to 10 seconds. Different lamps and bulbs will produce varying amounts of UV light depending on their A. Spectrum. B. None of the choices listed. C. Circuitry. D. Mass. The answer is C. Circuitry. Which of the following is a lightweight rectangular-shaped block that is used to buff nails? A. Abrasive board. B. Buffing bit. C. Nail file. D. Buffer block. The answer is D. Buffer block. UV gel lamps. A. All of the choices listed. B. Use full spectrum light bulbs. C. Emit the same amount of UV light as tanning beds. D. Are specifically made to emit a designed amount of UV light needed to accurately cure UV gel nail enhancement products. The answer is D. Are specifically made to emit a designed amount of UV light needed to accurately cure UV gel nail enhancement products. What is the best type of brush to use for acrylic nail enhancement procedures? A. Boar hair. B. Artificial hair. C. Synthetic hair. D. Sable hair. The answer is D. Sable hair. A piece of fabric used to cover a crack or break in a nail completely is A. Support strip. B. Nail swathe. C. Stress strip. D. Repair patch. The answer is D. Repair patch. During a fabric wrap removal procedure, the manicurist will soak the nails. A. Before sliding softened wraps away from the nail plate with a wood or metal pusher. B. After sliding softened wraps away from the nail plate with a plastic pusher. C. None of the choices listed. D. Before sliding softened wraps away from the nail plate with a plastic pusher. The answer is A. Before sliding softened wraps away from the nail plate with a wood or metal pusher. The tacky layer that happens when odorless products slowly harden is known as A. Tacky coat. B. The inhibition coat. C. The inhibition layer. D. Tacky inhibition. The answer is C. The inhibition layer. What is the best type of brush to use for UV gel nail enhancement procedures? A. Flat sable hair brushes with square bristles. B. Small sable hair brushes with a flat but tapered end. C. Small and flat synthetic brushes with square bristles. D. Large synthetic brushes with pointed bristles. The answer is C. Small and flat synthetic brushes with square bristles. Odorless acrylic products require A. Medium bead. B. Large bead. C. Dry bead. D. Wet bead. The answer is C. Dry bead. Use blank in order to remove glue residue from the natural nail. A. A metal file. B. A fine buffer block. C. Cuticle remover. D. An abrasive buffer. The answer is B. A fine buffer block.